In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import brushes into Affinity Designer. Before we begin, make sure you've downloaded the brush file you want to use and know where it's saved on your computer. Start by opening Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the app is up, shift your attention to the right side of the interface. That's where the Brushes Studio lives by default. You're looking for the section labeled Path Brushes, which controls vector stroke brushes. It usually sits alongside panels like Color, Swatches, and Stroke, and it may appear as a tab with a small brush icon. If the panel area is narrow, the tabs can be stacked. Just make sure the Path Brushes tab is active so you can see its contents. At the top right of the Path Brushes panel, there's a small down arrow that opens the panel menu. Click that arrow to reveal additional options specific to this panel. This is the menu we'll use to bring new brushes into the app. From that menu, choose Import Brushes. This command tells Affinity Designer you want to add a new brush set to your library. When you select it, your system's file browser will appear. Navigate to the folder where your brush pack is stored, select the brush file, and click Open. Pick a compatible file such as an Affinity brush set so Designer can read it immediately. After you confirm, Affinity Designer will import the set and add it as a new category inside the Path Brushes panel. Give it a second to load and then look back at the panel. You should see a new category, typically named after the file you imported. From here, you can select any brush in the category and it's ready to apply to your vector strokes in Designer. That's all there is to it. Open the app, find Path Brushes on the right, use the down arrow to open the panel menu, choose Import Brushes, then select your file and confirm. With your new brushes in place, you can get back to creating, confident that your brush library will be right where you need it every time you open Affinity Designer.